Hello everyone. CRM product to the quotation app helps the user to easily create, manage and track the quotations directly from the pipeline view. Let me get into the CRM and see how it works. So these are the pipelines that I have created. To create a new pipeline, you can just use a new option to create a new one. Now let me get into the already created one. So from here, user can see the pipelines created. On the CRM or a pipeline view, user can see the product tab. Here we can add the products as per the customer's need, and we can click on the new detailed quotation button to create a new sales quotation. So here you can see a warning message, right? So if customer is not selected on the CRM lead or a pipeline, this message will be shows. So for that we need to select an customer from here itself. Let me save this one and now click on the new detailed quotation. On clicking on the new detailed quotation button, user can see a new wizard will open with the added products to the lead. Okay, and we can just click on the save button to save, or else if you need to add any one of the product, you can just use and add a product button and you can add the product in the sale order page, and from here we can just save it. Okay, after save you can see an quotation smart button on the lead or a pipeline page and view all the created quotations from that. Okay, so from here you can see these are the quotations that I have created. User can see all the products added to the CRM lead or pipeline is also added in the same sales quotation which we have created with the same quantity and the same price as well. So in this way we can make use of this module to get and to create a quotation from the pipeline. Thank you for watching.